Masha woke up with the sun streaming through her bedroom window, casting playful patterns on the floor. Today felt like an adventure waiting to unfold. She bounced out of bed, her hair a tangled mess and her spirit bright, ready to turn another day into her own extraordinary tale. Her first stop was Bear's cozy, tidy den, her favorite base camp for whimsy and chaos alike. With her eyes sparkling with mischief, Masha swung open the door without knocking, as usual. "Good morning, Bear," she chirped, making Bear, who was meticulously stitching a tear in his well-used armchair, jump slightly. "Oh, Masha," Bear sighed with a resigned half-smile, appreciating her uncontainable energy, yet foreseeing the inevitable chaos her arrival brought. "What adventure do you plan today?" Masha, in her usual dramatic flair, clasped her hands and announced, "We're going on a treasure hunt." Bear's eyebrows raised, curiosity and concern mixed equally in his mind. He watched the determined little girl before him, imagining the sort of treasure she sought. "All right," Bear chuckled, knowing there was no stopping her once she set her sights on something. "And where might this treasure be buried?" With the grand gesture of a seasoned explorer, Masha surveyed the landscape outside, pointing vigorously toward the tangled wilderness beyond Bear's carefully kept garden. Thus began their journey through the woods, with Masha in the lead, brandishing a stick like a sword and Bear trailing behind, carrying an ever-expanding assortment of sticks, stones, and pine cones she deemed important clues. Hours passed, and the expedition wound its way through the forest's deepest secrets, each turn revealing nothing more than shadows and sunlight dancing on the ground. Despite the lack of pirate loot or ancient artifacts, Masha's spirits never wavered. When the sun dipped low and shadows stretched long, Bear gently suggested returning home. He was tired, but Masha's laughter and enthusiasm were infectious enough to keep him smiling despite his aching paws. Back at home, Bear watched as Masha poured their collected treasures onto the living room floor, each piece earning a backstory more detailed and imaginative than the last. Bear marveled at her storytelling, each tale spiraling into the next without pause. Realizing how much he had missed such innocent joy in life, Bear laughed heartily, his once tired eyes twinkling with newfound delight. "Masha," he said warmly, as they sat in a snug nest of cushions and collected treasures, "you truly have a gift for adventure." Masha beamed, knowing that even an ordinary day could be extraordinary with the right dose of imagination and a fair bit of Bear's patience. And as they drifted into nap time, surrounded by their fictional treasures, Bear's heart swelled with appreciation for the mess that was Masha's boundless joy.